Like, to add on to that, like, bro, like, people love doing the easy shit. People are addicted to doing shit that is easy because nobody likes to put in the hard fucking work. Nobody. So you keep doing the same damn thing. Why? Because it's easy. It's easy. And you have that gambler's mindset. Gambler's mindset. Okay, I'm gonna do it again, but you know what? Hopefully I got better results this time. No, man, it's not gonna be the same results, man. Nobody likes to do the hard shit. The hard way, man. The hard way is what gets results, man. The hard way shows discipline. It creates discipline, man. The hard work, the hard things, everything hard in life, man, is gonna get you somewhere far in life, man. I love the easy route. Don't get me wrong. I used to love the easy route, but you know what? I hated the bus. I hated the fucking bus. And guess what? I started taking the hard way of everything I wanted to do that was gonna get me the results. It was gonna be a bitch, but you know what? Guess what, motherfucker? I'm in a Lamborghini right now. So you know what? Let me just tell you something, bro. Get that little easy route shit out of your fucking brain, bro. Put in the hard work, man. Simple.